अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का टॉपिक है मेनोपॉज, सन्यास। डेफिनेशन: इट इज़ अ परमानेंट cessation of menstruation at the end of reproductive life due to loss of ovarian follicular activity. Diagnosis is confirmed following stoppage of menstruation for 12 consecutive months without any other pathology. Premenopause: it is a period prior to menopause. It is a part of climacteric. MC is irregular in this period. Postmenopause: period after menopause. Climacteric: it is a phase of aging process during which a woman passes from the reproductive to non-productive stage. This phase covers 5 to 10 years on either side of menopause. Age of menopause: the age of menopause is not related to age of menarche or age at last pregnancy, and also not related to number of pregnancy, lactation, use of oral pill, socio-economic condition, race, height and weight. Cigarette smoking and severe malnutrition may cause early menopause. The age of menopause ranges between 45 to 55 years. Average is 50 years. Endocrinology of climacteric and menopause. Number 1 is hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Few years prior to menopause, ovarian follicles becomes resistant to pituitary gonadotrophins. It results in impaired folliculogenesis with diminished estradiol production. FSH and LH increases by granulosa cell of ovarian follicle. Disturbed folliculogenesis during this period result in anovulation, oligoovulation, corpus luteal insufficiency, menstrual abnormalities prior to menopause, cycle length becomes shorter, ultimately no follicles, estradiol production drops, no endometrial growth, resulting in absence of menstruation. Estrogen second, Following menopause, serum level of estrogen is higher than estradiol. Major source of estrogen is peripheral conversion. It is called aromatization of androgen from ovaries and adrenal. About 5 to 10 years after menopause, there is sharp fall in estrogen. The woman is said to be in a state of true menopause. Third one is androgen. After menopause, ovary continue to produce androgen. Ovary androgen is more, but peripheral androgen are reduced due to conversion into estrone. It leads decrease in estrogen androgen ratio. This result in increased facial hair growth and change in voice. Fourth, progesterone. A small amount of progesterone is detected, which is adrenal in origin. Next, gonadotrophins. Secretion of both FSH and LH increases due to absent negative feedback effect of estradiol and inhibin. During menopause, there is a fall in level of prolactin and inhibin. Due to physiological aging, GnRH and both FSH and LH decline along with decline of estrogen. Now we will see the changes in different organs during menopause. First organ is ovaries. They shrink in size, becomes wrinkled and white. There is thinning at cortex, an increase in medullary component. There is abundance of stroma cell. Next organ is fallopian tube. It shows features of atrophy. The muscle coat becomes thinner and cilia disappears. Next organ is uterus. It becomes smaller. Ratio between body and cervix is 1:1. The endometrium becomes thin and atrophic. Cervical secretion becomes scanty. Next organ, vagina. It becomes narrow. Vaginal epithelium becomes thin. There is no glycogen. Doderlin's bacilla is absent. The vaginal pH becomes alkaline. Vulva. It shows features of atrophy. Labia becomes flattened and pubic hair becomes scanty. Introitus narrow. Next is breast. Fat is reabsorbed and gland atrophy. Nipples decrease in size. Breast becomes flat and pendulous. Next is bladder and urethra. Epithelium becomes thin and more prone to damage and infection. There may be dysuria, frequency of maturation, urgency, and even stress incontinence. Next, bone metabolism. Following menopause, there is loss of bone mass by about 3 to 5% per year. This is due to estrogen deficiency. Osteoporosis causes fracture of bone in menopause. Osteoporosis is a condition of reduction in bone mass. Parathyroid gland are involved in osteoporosis. Menstruation pattern. Menstruation pattern prior to menopause. Any of the following pattern observe. Number 1, abrupt cessation of menstruation or gradual decrease in both amount and duration. And third, irregular with or without excessive bleeding. Thank you.
रिकॉर्ड हुआ